Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises both performance and peace of mind, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set. In a market flooded with options, Nuwave is positioning this set as a premium, healthy, and durable choice for your kitchen. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the premium forged construction of this cookware is immediately noticeable. Nuwave highlights that forging makes the cookware strong and durable, yet lightweight and easy to handle. This is crucial for everyday use. We've all experienced clunky, heavy pans that feel like a workout to maneuver. The forging process, which essentially involves shaping metal with force, aims to create a denser, more resilient material. They describe it as a work of art where form meets function, designed to perform well at any skill level. This suggests a balance between aesthetic appeal and practical usability, which is always a good sign for home cooks. The star of the show here is undoubtedly the Healthy Duralon Blue coating. Nuwave emphasizes that this is an eco-friendly, ultra-non-stick, all-natural ceramic coating. What's particularly important is what it contains. It's free of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a huge selling point for anyone concerned about the safety of their cookware and the potential leaching of toxins into food, especially at higher temperatures. They go a step further by stating it does not emit toxic gases at higher temperatures, a common concern with some non-stick surfaces. To back this up, they mention testing by TÜV Rheinland, which found none of 106 known PFAS elements were detected. This kind of rigorous testing is reassuring. This isn't just any ceramic coating, it's Generation 10 ceramic. Nuwave has been refining their Duralon coating for over a decade, and they claim G10 Duralon Blue is exceptional in every category. They highlight its ability to heat fast and evenly, release food effortlessly, and its extraordinary durability. This continuous improvement is important. Often, ceramic coatings can degrade over time, losing their non-stick properties. The claim of Generation 10 suggests they've learned from past iterations and addressed common issues. Let's talk about that durability. The Duralon Blue hardness is rated at 9H, which is very close to diamond at 10H. This means it's designed to be extremely strong. It boasts high resistance to abrasion and corrosion, and importantly, acid. This translates to a pan that shouldn't chip or discolor easily and, critically, should retain its non-stick properties for a much longer time. Scratch resistance is a major pain point for many non-stick pans, so a hardness rating this high is a significant advantage. Finally, we have induction ready and even heat distribution. Every piece in this set is bonded and reinforced with an anti-warp stainless steel plate on the bottom. This makes them compatible with induction stovetops, which are becoming increasingly popular due to their energy efficiency and precise temperature control. This bonding also ensures fast, even heat distribution and superior heat retention at any temperature. Even heating is fundamental to good cooking, preventing hot spots that can burn food in one area while leaving it undercooked in another. So, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are substantial. The healthy, PFAS-free, and chemical-free Duralon Blue coating is a massive advantage for health-conscious consumers. The high hardness rating suggests excellent scratch and abrasion resistance, promising a longer lifespan for the non-stick properties. The forged construction should provide a good balance of durability and weight. And the induction readiness coupled with even heat distribution means it's designed for modern kitchens and reliable cooking performance. The inclusion of tempered glass lids and stay-cool handles also adds to the overall user experience, making it practical for everyday use. However, no product is perfect. While the hardness is impressive, real-world durability against sharp utensils still needs to be considered, even with a high rating. Ceramic coatings, while healthier, can sometimes be more prone to thermal shock than traditional PTFE coatings, meaning sudden extreme temperature changes could potentially damage them. We also don't have specific details on exactly what this cookware set includes in terms of different pot and pan sizes, which is crucial for buyers deciding if it fits their needs. Lastly, premium forged construction and advanced coatings often come with a higher price tag, so value for money will be a key consideration for many. In conclusion, the Nuwave Healthy Duralon Blue Ceramic Non-Stick Cookware Set appears to be a very strong contender in the non-stick cookware market. It addresses key concerns about health and safety with its chemical-free coating and emphasizes durability with its high hardness rating and forged construction. The promise of even heating and induction readiness makes it a versatile choice for many kitchens. If you're looking for a healthier, more durable non-stick option that performs well, this set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.